Leonard Hall is being renovated to prepare for the 2023-2024 academic year. In this brief video, we will share renderings and other exciting changes you can expect as a member of the community for the year ahead. The following images are conceptual renderings, and some small changes from what you see in this video may occur as renovation is completed. In anticipation of this project, we started our refresh early and in the area most important to you, your residence hall room. We began in 2022 by purchasing new mattresses for each room. During the upcoming renovation, rooms will be recarpeted and wooden furniture will be refinished so that the in-wall storage, closets, and cabinets all shine like new. In updating Leonard Hall, we recognize an opportunity to reimagine our lobby as a living community space. Starting with the front desk and surrounding gathering spaces, we've created an open floor concept that invites large amounts of natural light, includes small conference and meeting areas, and a cohesive walkthrough element that promotes integrated living. The new lobby welcomes residents and invites them to gather in community spaces, all while maintaining the campus standards for safety and security at all entrances and exits. Connected to the lobby is a Leonard Hatch. Historically shared as an event space by the larger AU community, the upcoming renovation will refocus the hatch as a lounge space for the residents of Leonard Hall. We've removed the dividing wall and opened the room up to create 4 community spaces for student-dedicated activities. We've increased seating and countertop space for dining, expanded your options for recreation, including a brand new pool table, included more tables and desks for studying, and added new chairs for relaxing with your friends. Now let's head up to the residential floors to look at changes to the lounges and the restrooms. On each floor of Leonard, you'll find the floor lounges. This space is a combined kitchen and common area for students to enjoy dining, studying, and relaxing. To improve this space and the sense of community it brings to the residential experience, we've opened up the lounges by removing the wall that previously separated the 2 halves of the room. This will help provide a fluid space where residents can casually transition from one activity to the next and can seamlessly engage with their community. As a significant update to the residential experience in Leonard Hall, the bathrooms have been completely redesigned. Currently, each floor has 2 gendered bathrooms with standard toilet stalls, shower stalls, and sink and mirror areas. In keeping with AU's commitment to inclusive bathrooms, Leonard will be the first hall on campus to host pod-style bathrooms. Each floor in Leonard will now have a single, larger restroom with 7 individual-use pod-style bathrooms that each come with a toilet and shower for residents of the floor. With floor-to-ceiling lockable doors offering complete privacy in each pod, the Leonard Hall bathrooms incorporate modern and inclusive features, all while maintaining our campus standards for accessibility, safety, and experience. Thanks for joining us on this tour of upcoming renovations. We hope you're excited about these changes and will make your home at AU in the new Leonard Hall for years to come.